Hello, I'm Stefan Martelli of Texwrap Tekkra. Texwrap is widely known as a world-class shrink packaging company, vertically integrated in the design, fabrication, and assembly of standard and tailored systems in our 90,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility just outside of St. Louis, Missouri. Our Tekkra product line provides a complete array of automatic shrink bundling machinery for both supported and unsupported products at intermittent motion speeds as well as high-speed continuous motion production rates, so we are certain that we have the correct system available for your application. Both Texwrap and Tekkra systems provide Allen Bradley controls and servo motors as standard. We can provide either powder-coated paint or stainless steel construction. Tekkra systems use linear slides and bearings to produce longer life and less downtime due to maintenance issues versus rods that develop grooves and pillow block bearings. In this video, we are integrating an intermittent motion tray former loader with a servo-controlled multi-lane diverging product infeed and a continuous motion inline 2-roll shrink wrapper along with 90-degree product pusher discharge conveyor that smoothly integrates and transfers product at right angles while saving floor space. Our infeed conveyor can accept single-line product flow, divide into multiple product lanes, accumulate the desired multi-pack configuration, and transfer that complete configuration into the formed tray blank. This intermittent motion style system uses Allen Bradley servo-controlled product pushers that can be recipe-based for fast, simple, and repeatable changeovers for different product sizes, shapes, and configurations run on the same machine, and are repeatable by any shift or operator any day of the week, saving time, money, and loss of production. Once the products are divided into lanes, their positions are monitored to ensure that the lanes are filled correctly to keep the system running as efficiently as possible. We include down product detection as well to eliminate miscycles and waste. At the same time, the tray blanks are dropped into the flight lug transition conveyor and the minor flaps on the remote position are folded and hot melt glue applied. Then the major flap is folded, securing the tray blank so it is ready to accept the product. As the tray indexes forward to the loading station, line pressure is released, and the main transfer pusher smoothly loads the tray with product. The loaded tray indexes forward so the minor flaps are folded, hot melt glue applied, and the final major flap is folded, securing the tray to be discharged onto the shrink wrapper. At this position, an inkjet coater or label applicator can be added to mark the tray before transferring onto the shrink wrapper infeed. This continuous motion 2-film roll shrink wrapper is capable of up to 60 trays per minute using clear polyethylene shrink film. Our shrink wrapper incorporates independent film feed drive motors for complete film application control at any production rate, resulting in less film per package and consistent finished package appearance. We use servo motors to control the seal carriage forward and return travel and the open and close motion to assure quality seals that make it through the entire transportation process without failure and rework. Our design allows the end user to set the seal jaw opening for each product, assuring that the seal lines stay in the desired position for each package and production rates are maximized. The shrink tunnel is designed with independent conveyor controls to assure correct spacing between products and optimized dwell time, resulting in attractive and consistent package appearance time and time again. We incorporate air velocity and directional controls as well, allowing the end user to have the best looking, tightest shrunk packages in the industry. At the discharge of the shrink tunnel, we have added our small footprint 90-degree product transfer pusher to offer flexibility in floor plan layouts. The pusher offers consistent rate and transfer position in case a labeler needs to be added at the end of the shrink tunnel. We have the ability to integrate everything that is needed to deliver the most efficient, reliable packaging line possible. As we are part of the ProMod companies, we have the ability to integrate upstream and downstream equipment so we can become your single source supplier for a complete packaging line. All Tekkra shrink bundling machines are designed to have the lowest cost of ownership. As with all our models, Texwrap proudly stands behind the equipment we manufacture with the industry's longest warranty. are built better, backed better, 10-year warranty with unlimited cycles.